How long does it take to service a garage door? How long does it take to service a garage door? The time it takes to service a garage door depends on the type of maintenance or repair required, but most routine services can be completed within 30 minutes to an hour. A standard garage door service typically includes inspecting the door's balance, tightening hardware like bolts and screws, lubricating moving parts such as rollers, hinges, and the track, and checking the condition of the springs and cables. For minor adjustments, such as aligning the sensors or recalibrating the opener, the process is quick and straightforward. However, if parts like the torsion springs or cables need replacement, this could take closer to 90 minutes due to the precision and care required to ensure safety. For complex repairs, like replacing a garage door panel or addressing an issue with the motorized opener, the service might extend to 2 hours or more. The garage door technician will also account for the door's size, weight, and type of opener, as these factors can influence the time required. Regular servicing by a professional not only ensures the door operates smoothly but also extends its lifespan by catching issues early. Homeowners are encouraged to schedule maintenance annually or whenever they notice unusual noises or performance issues, keeping the process efficient and stress-free.